Hello guys, here is Billie King FX for another video on Bitcoin versus dollar, great trade, and it's a continuation of the last video I did, and it looks like a really good confirmation that the move is going up, because if you remember, I told you to enter around here after this candle, and now as you can see it keeps rallying up. And another thing, if you go on the weekly time frame, now starting this week we have a clearer, like I told you a few days ago, this week will be a confirmation if it's gonna keep going up or maybe stagnate a bit before keep going back up the week after. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna keep going without even stopping. So great confirmation, guys. And if you look at our stochastics, you have a big move up here, big move up. Short term, 14 stochastics and 45 give you the indication that it's gonna go up. And it's a very nice setup, very nice entry that you could have taken. And if you want to take it now, you can still take it. I will do this, go on the daily time frame so we have a better view, and maybe wait a bit for that candle to close, or not even waiting but entering and putting your stop around this level right here, right around 44,000. But it makes you a big gap here, not a gap but a big stop loss, because it will be this distance between your entry and your stop out, which is why, guys, we favorize entering early. Like on this candle, we could have entered here. After the confirmation, it moved up, we have a little bit of move down, and you enter right after. So the perfect entry would have been this candle, because you want still to see the confirmation that it's going down and then keep going back up. So you're still waiting for a little pullback before you enter, and a confirmation that it's still going. So you would enter here, or here, this candle, or this candle, this green candle here, this one, this green. After the pullback here, the two red candles, this candle, right? So guys, still can enter, but I will put my stop below at 44,000 level, or if you want to take more risk around this zone, 44,600, put it around 44,000, guys. It's still better, right? And wait maybe to take a second entry with a better stop after. That's what I will do, but I will not take any risk, because now it's pulling back. It can do a big pullback and touch your stop and get you out of the trend before going back up again. So that's it for the Bitcoin. Let me see the Ethereum real quick. The Ethereum is right there. Let's put the chart up. So same thing for Ethereum. The entry was right here, guys. The entry for Ethereum was after this pullback. You could have entered here, or if you wanted, after the second candle, you would have entered here. So either here or here, okay? And if you want to take it now, you can still take it, but still same thing, put your stop below this level at 3,078, right? And wait maybe to take a second entry later. When you have pullbacks like this and more starting going back up, that's when you take a better stop. You will put your stop below the last. If your entry was here, you will take your stop below the last pullback. So it's another move set up like this. We're waiting up there, maybe later on to take another entry if it keeps going up. But it looks like it might keep going up. Let's see on the weekly time frame. We are on the daily here. Let's see if on the weekly for Ethereum right here, if it's still, yeah, it gives you the same thing as Bitcoin. So this week was this confirmation, and now this week, last week was the confirmation entry, was the entry, and now we have the confirmation now this week that is still going up. And same thing, guys, stochastics 14 and 45 going right there, really up. So it's a good indication, and it's another confirmation that you should have taken this trade. So over confirmation, you are still above the 200, above the blue 50 EMA and the 8 red EMA. So perfect entry, perfect setup. Buy now, guys. Don't wait. And like I said, take a nice stop. Better take a bigger stop than getting stopped out, guys. Put your stop below here and you'll be good to go, right? So enter now here at this level, and so 3,391 level, as you can see here. Enter here and put your stop below around 3,070.98. Okay guys, so see you to the next video though. So everything is confirmed now, it's still going up. Does it mean that it will keep going up and go back to the top right there to the 4,800? We are still very far, so we don't know. So we have to be patient. So that would be for Ethereum. And if we check for Bitcoin, let's open the graph. We are still at $47,290, and for it to go back to the 67,000 ish, it will be a long bull move, guys. So there's a lot of room. It can still drop, but it's most likely gonna go up. Why? Let's see it again, because the weekly is showing great insight of upper move for the stochastics, and we have this stop here, next up, this level of resistance, and after that the next level of resistance is around here, the closest, or we could say here, but it's almost the same level. So you have this level here too, but yeah, let's say it moves up and get back here. So there's really a lot of potential for that to go up. So I will take the entry and just ride it, guys. Don't think too much about it. Anytime you see a big opportunity, a big way to capitalize, a big opportunity that could be multiplied by 3, 4, 5 times or more, your position, you take it, you take advantage of that so you can be profitable. That's the way you get profitable on these markets, guys. I'm telling you, that's what I'm doing. I'm very successful at it. So yeah, keep going, keep doing that, and see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.